Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Today we will take a look at the crude oil instead of the coal market, and I thought that maybe it will be interesting because, as you know, currently most retail brokers give an opportunity to trade the crude oil CFDs, so currently it's no problem with the trading it. And crude oil right now is forming very attractive, interesting trading setup that could be materialized within a couple of weeks probably. At the same time, in the gold market, we're taking a look very often, so we have covered it in the daily videos in the last week. On the next week, just on Tuesday, we will continue to provide the daily videos on the gold market as well. So I think that this will be no problem if we will not prepare the weekly research on the gold market today. Besides, on the gold, mostly the situation hasn't changed significantly, and it stands as we have just discussed. So gold market stands as well as the major currencies on the strong support, and some bounce up really has chance to happen. But on the crude oil, we actually haven't taken a look previously at all, or maybe a couple of times I have mentioned in our daily videos on the crude oil. But today we have prepared the weekly research on the crude oil. Its overall price behavior and background, fundamental background for crude oil stands really interesting. So currently, guys, the major idea that I see on the crude oil right now is the perfect potential for a Brent body buy trade. As you can see, we have thrusting upward actions, very cool, no closing below the 3x3, very nice thrust up, and the first drop below the 3x3 moving average. Market is approaching to the major fib level 60.76 on the weekly chart. It also is accompanied by the weekly oversold area. So that's the potential level where the Brent body trade could start. So I have mentioned here. At the same time, guys, this will be Brent body buy, but at the same time, combination of the fib level and the daily weekly oversold gives us the weekly bullish stretch pattern. That's also bullish Napoli directional pattern that provides additional support and makes overall situation, gives us more confidence with this trade. The potential of this trade, guys, you will see on the daily chart, but I will show you just ultimate opportunity. So we will be focused, of course, on minimal trade of this setup, or minimal target of this setup. But potentially, guys, I am not exclude the chance that market really could continue significantly higher. Because take a look, we have actually monthly ABCD pattern. And this pattern has not been completed yet. So this is preliminary reversal down. And it means that Brent body could be not just a trade that gives the regular target, usually, as you know, the 618 support of the whole backward action here. But Brent body also could become the continuation pattern of the moving right to the major ABCD target. So this is some cherry on the pie. So this really could happen. And the attractiveness of this trade stands with this issue. So, for example, you have taken the trade on this trade. You have the long position, and market has reached the predefined minimal target. You could, for example, close the half in position, move stops on the break even, and wait what will happen. If it will be successful, you will get another even more potential trade with no with do nothing. So you need to do nothing just to get this opportunity. And Brent body gives you the very good, perfect chance of the safe entry with all this trading opportunity. So potential of this trade at least will be $5 per contract. So it's very great opportunity because, guys, this is weekly trade, in fact. So that what was really attractive for me, and that why I have decided today to show you this setup instead of the gold market. Dropping lower on the daily chart, guys, here we see nothing really special. So market is strongly oversold on the daily chart. and it's approaching to the also natural support resistance area. So you can see this previously, natural support resistance consolidation. So it should provide the support, and it coincides with the weekly support level. That is potential trade of the butterfly, 67.30 approximately. So if market will drop slightly lower, its trade also will be slightly lower, but its level will be slightly lower. It's approximately 67, 66.50. Anyway, it will be very significant. So what else daily chart tells us? First of all, we should pay attention to the collapse case. This is miserable drop. And definitely the anticipation, trying to foresee the reversal, anticipate the reversal will be the suicide. That's why we can't take the position blindly on the fib support. We need some more truth, some more improvement from the market of the reversal. That's why we need some clear bullish pattern to be formed here. Some reversal pattern. Maybe this will be something that double bottom, got this people to buy here, or maybe butterfly, hand shoulders, something. Something should be formed, guys, before we will going long. That's the necessary condition of this trade. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we also do not have a lot of tool to forecast where the bottom could be. First of all, we have different ABCDs, but all of them based mostly on the same BC leg. As you can see, lack of tools here, so we do not have a lot of opportunity to forecast. Initially, it has started from the kind of the hand shoulders, as you can see, okay? But the extension of the hand shoulders 1618 has been completed right here. That's why later we need to switch to another ABCD that's more close to the market. And we have used this following ABCD. The target has been completed right on Friday. As you can see, XLP target has been hit, 6180. It's been completed. But no signs of the reversal. But in what is more important, 6180 stands above this level. So we need one bar more to pass before market will meet this area. That's why we probably need to use another extension. That's why we're using wide ABCD pattern that tells us that XLP target stands at 6036. This XLP will coincide with weekly pivot support one as well. And I think that probably this point will put the starting of the reversal of the retracement that we would like to get. So, as a conclusion of this situation, scenario is very interesting, but it stands on the weekly, and we should be patient, guys, because the weekly chart demands patience, because will be not very fast. And the first step of our training plan suggests waiting to the completion of this XOP target around 60.35. As soon as it will be completed, second step will be watching for bullish patterns to be formed, and finally, using this patterns if they will be formed, we'll try to take the long position and start our weekly trade. So you can see, stop on the crude oil indeed is intriguing, and we just need to keep an eye on it, and from time to time to put the view on the crude oil and see what the progress is stand with this setup. So just to not miss the entry opportunity.